Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by charging and positioning the Go Air Pop. Make sure both buds are above 50% and the case lid is open. This stabilizes firmware behavior. Next, on your phone, forget any existing Go Air Pop entry so you avoid conflicts. Once done, place both earbuds in your ears and press the touch zones simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds to trigger pairing mode LED flashes. You do this to ensure the buds are active and ready to accept the reset command from the next step. Now perform the actual reset sequence. Remove both earbuds from your ears and press and hold the touch panels for 10 seconds until you observe alternating LED behavior or hear a distinct power cycle tone. This clears pairing info and return settings to factory. After you see the indicator, immediately place the buds back into the charging case and close the lid for 5 to 10 seconds to commit the reset. Make sure the case has charge, otherwise the reset may not persist and you'll need to repeat the steps. Finish by reopening the case near your phone and selecting Go Air Pop from Bluetooth. You should see a fresh, unpaired device ready to connect. If the connection does not appear, charge the case to full and repeat the factory reset steps. Low battery often blocks successful resets. If only one bud is misbehaving, perform the reset sequence on that side alone and then repair. Remember this troubleshooting tip. A full charge plus forgetting the device on your phone before resetting resolves most persistent pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.